What I'm doing today is I'm showing you another vegan snack.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
This is Divvies vegan and nut-free. It's called Kettle Corn. All natural, freshly popped. You can see it's got a little bit of, looks like it might have some caramel in there. Anyway, it says it's made in our dedicated peanut, tree, nut, egg, and dairy-free bakery. And this is 1 cup is, and there's 6 cups in here supposedly. 1 cup is 60 calories, total fat is 1 gram, saturated fat is none, trans fat none, cholesterol none. It's got 180 milligrams of salt, 13 grams carbohydrate, dietary fiber is 1 gram, sugars is 7 grams, so it's a lot of sugar. And then protein 1 gram. It's got vitamin, so we're going to open this up. And you're going to see 1 cup isn't much. But 60 calories is a way for you to eat something that's safe. Popcorn is always a good deal. Okay, so instead of pouring it in there, we should measure it. We get exactly 1 cup. Nicely cooperated and stayed in the container. Okay, so that's your 60 calories. You take it in a little bowl. Now if you can eat more than 1 cup, say today you're giving yourself a 120 calorie snack, that would be it right there, which is what I'm going to have. It smells sugary, so I'll probably be eating this in the next few days. There's no special instructions on here. It smells very fresh and heavenly. Alright, so there is a true vegan snack that says vegan and nut-free. Thank you for watching. You're wondering, how am I going to keep it sealed? Well, what I did is I turned the lip of it down, and I have these clamps, and I'm just going to do this to it. So when I want it, as it goes down, it'll seal it better. And I think I'm going to have to eat this pretty quick.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.